What's up friends, and welcome to this video. Today I will show you friends how you can cancel Bupa health insurance. So guys, you have two options to cancel. You have called this number 1300478 or you have request a call back. If I click request first this option, I see this I don't like help with, I do like help this, click this option, cancel my policy or switching health, click search anyone guys, for example this one, and select and data, call me back, select your data from here and select your data and click your membership number and your name and membership. For example, my membership is 1000 for example guys, and write contact numbers and your email address, click agree term and condition and write your confirm this option. And or you can call this number guys. From here you can open up to call, for example, Microsoft Teams or Brave or a phone link, for example phone link. Click always and you will have this option to call with a phone link. You can link, you use your mobile device for my PVC and write call him with phone and your voice to get your cancel. This is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you guys. Don't forget to give a like and share this video for more content.